for any naming convention, either for a class or for variables or for method declaration. So reserved keywords, they have their own purpose or they have their own meaning. So class is a reserved word, a reserved keyword, which is meant to define or to specify the name of the class. So when I say class space, we need to specify the name of the class. So that means Hello Java is the name of the class. For this program, Hello Java is the name of the class. It is being defined with the keyword. So Hello Java is the name of the class file, and the convention for class files should be all, the first letter should be capital letter. So H is capital here since is the name of the class. In Java is case sensitive, and as well as it has some convention. A method declaration should be with all small letters. Classes, first letter should be capped, and if it's a two word, second word starting letter, like in Hello Java, the first word is hello. In the first word, first letter is H, which is capped, and in the second word, first letter A is capped. If it's a two-lettered word, in every word, starting letter should be capital. So there are some conventions in Java which we need to follow. So Hello Java is the name of the file. Hello Java is name of the class, and as well as Hello Java is the name of the file also. So when you save this Java program, you have to save the name with the same name of the class name. So the name of the file should also be Hello Java with .java extension. So within that class, in the line 6, it's called method declaration. Public, static, void, main. Within the main method, within the parenthesis, it's the array of strings, space, argl. What does this mean? Public is again a specifier, access specifier to that main method. Static, it's a reserved keyword, which means it is allocating some memory. In Java, if we wanted to make use of any of the methods, we need to allocate a memory to it. Without allocation of memory, we cannot make use of its functionality or we cannot access it. So, static keyword allocates some memory before the invocation. Void, it is the return type for that main method. Main is the name of the method. What does void means is, what a return type is the one which means it's returning something. So the method or the function is returning something. So void here means it's not returning anything. It's just displaying. So if you have something like string there, it means it is returning the string, some character. If you have something like int, it is returning a number value. So here, main method, it returns void. It means nothing. It doesn't return any value, but it displays. We can display something. And here, public, static, void. Here the static and the public can be interchanged. We can say static, public, void as well. And within the main method parenthesis, there is a string object, array of strings, space args. The purpose of this is whenever we are entering, whenever we want to pass some values through command prompt. So to access the command line arguments, the array of string is used. So args is the reference variable to the string array object. And within the main method, what is the functionality we are writing? And before going to that, every class has to be like public class Hello hello Java. After that, there is a break. So a class functionality starts after the break, after the flower braces. And the ending of that class is at the line 9. So the class is ending at line 9 with the help of ending flower brace. Similarly, at the line 6, the method functionality starts after the flower brace. So public static void main within the parenthesis array of string args is called the declaration of the method. It's just the specification of the method. The functionality of that is within the brace. What is the functionality of this main method? It is at the line 7. It is just printing system.out.println. And within that, there is something like a message called hello Java. So, system is a class. It's a class. It's a predefined class. It's already available. And that class is from java.lang package. For all Java programs, java.lang is a default package. So in this program, we did not write any package. So that means this class is available or is present in java.lang package. Similarly, system is a predefined class within a java.lang package. System class has a method called out. So out is a method within the system class. And out method, within that method there is another method called println. Yes, this method is responsible. Out, it will display onto the console. Out, it refers to console, and println, it displays the output onto that console. So println will print, and print, it will print at the same line. Println, it will display in a new line. The next, if you use any more println, then it will display in the next line. So what we are printing here, hello Java. So what is this program, Java program is doing is, it's trying to print a message onto the console called hello space Java. So this is how you write I can say this is how you write a basic Java program, And the important thing here is, for any class in Java, the entry and exit point will be through only main method. So the main is the entry and exit point for any Java program. For hello Java program, through this main method only its functionality starts. So if you want to call some other method, that has to be through the main method only. So let's run this Java program, and let's compile and run this Java program and see how it behaves.
And Pranavi, while you're doing that, I just wanted to quickly mention that, if audience has any questions, feel free to send them to the chat message. We have a few coming through, and I know that it is running close to the 1 hour, but we will take an extra 5 minutes to run through this webinar and finish it. So, just so you know, don't feel that we'll end it sharply. Since the concepts are going well, and we will be finishing the entire webinar and then answering any questions, and it will go possibly over an hour. Go ahead, Pranavi.
Thank you. So I said, like, for writing a basic Java program, we need a JDK, which I said we can download from sun.com, and as well as we need either a notepad or textpad. So this is a textpad in which I have written a Java program. So here, these are called /star// are called comments. So with the textpad, usually it displays in different colors. If it's a Java reserved words, it displays in blue color, and it usually will differentiate with the colors. So here in the comments, I have written like it's a basic Java program. It was created by me, and